and you could see even though we only had a 50% win rate, we were profitable. Backtesting is one of the most important things you can do to becoming a consistently profitable trader. In this video, we're going to go through historical data and work out a simple strategy to see how often it repeats to make sure that statistics are on our side so we can actually implement this into live trading. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay. I'm on the path to becoming a consistently profitable day trader. In these videos, I share my thought processes, my wins and losses to ultimately help you become a better trader. If you want to join me on this journey and learn from my mistakes, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump into the charts. For this backtest, we're going to make sure that there is a sweep of liquidity. After that, there needs to be a change of character. And then we'd enter in on a fair value gap or order block, and then we would target 2R. So it's a very simple backtest, and let's see how it performs. So I drew out buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and then we wait for 8:30. All right, well, it's 9:30, still nothing here we could even trade. Okay, it's within this range, nothing to trade here. Okay, and as we're doing this, this is the change of character. So price needs to break above this to tell us that we're in a bullish program. This is actually where it gets a little subjective. This could be a potential change of character, but price did create relative equal lows here and didn't really wick through deep enough to take out this liquidity. So still not a good quality trade yet. And there we go. We could end up waiting for a long time and price just doesn't deliver the way we want it to. And we basically miss out on the gains, but that is okay. There is a change of character here and price comes right into this order block. So this could actually be a potential short I might be interested in. Put a stop right above here and then we target 2R. Let's see how this plays out. So we would have gotten tagged in on this order block and there we go. Look at that. Perfect. So our first trade would have been a profit, but also notice how long it took. The first trade didn't happen until about 1:30. So the entire AM session, there was nothing here we could have traded, but then the PM session, because price did take out liquidity here and it breaks below here, basically there is a change of character. Enter in short on this order block, put a stop up here, and then we target 2R, and that's how it got delivered. Takes out buy side again. Yeah, there's no change of character here, so nothing I would enter in short yet. And that is actually the end of the day. So the entire day there was one good trade and we were able to capture it right here. All right, so next day I marked out the buy side liquidity up here and then the sell side liquidity right here, which resonates with this stuff right here. We need to be patient and we wait until one of those gets swept. Price takes out liquidity, comes down, there's a change of character right here, and then I would like to enter in on this gap or this order block. Let's see if we get filled on this gap, stop above this high, and then we target 2R, which actually comes coincidentally into here. Let's see if we get tagged in. Oof, okay. We did not get tagged in yet, but oh shit. And that's why we have a stop. I guess there is news right at 10 o'clock. This would have been important to pay attention to, but this would be a time where the trade did not work out, so we lose on this one trade. Also, this is the importance of not trading during news. I mean, ideally we don't get slippage here, but most likely we would have gotten out up here just because stops don't really guarantee anything, especially when there's large candles like this. So let's continue. And this is where having that higher time frame bias would be useful. Look at this. This entire day, we just have to let price go with this strategy, and that is okay. Nothing here I would trade. There's no change of character here. Took out buy side, still nothing. Looks like we are bearish. I see this order block right here. We could enter short here and then, I don't know, I would have ideally preferred a fair value gap up here. Nothing here I would enter in on to follow the plan perfectly. That's good. I did not enter because there's nothing here that was strong enough and we would have gotten stopped out if I did. This right here, there's a sweep of liquidity. Looks like a change of character, but it is almost 4 o'clock, so I would not trade this. So today we made one trade and it was a loss, but we followed our plan, and this is where having that higher time frame bias is super important. The fact that I got stopped out here was the market tipping its hand, showing that, hey, we're likely to go higher. All right, we're on Wednesday now. Marked out both the buy side and sell side. Let's wait for one of them to get swept. I'm not sure if there's a change of character. It did come down here, maybe just swept the sell side, so nothing here I would enter in short on. A lot of chop, nothing here. Yeah, so price actually creates a relative equal high. I almost want to say that this is a change of character, but it's so small, I don't consider it. No matter what happens, yeah, looks like we just don't trade that. And look at that, the entire day, and there was nothing to trade using our strategy. So that should be a eye-opener that not every day should be a trading day. All right, so we got buy side, we have sell side right here, and let's start. All right, so this wick is at 8:30 news. Nothing to trade here. Price takes out sell side, it shoots up above the change of character. So that means we are bullish. and then price comes right into this order block, which we could have gotten long on, and we would target 2R. Here's another trade. Price takes out buy side liquidity, has a change of character right here. We could enter in on this order block and this fair value gap, tight stop, and then we target 2R. Not sure this is exactly the best quality trade, just because we are in this chop. It looks like price is wanting to trend higher, but just for the statistics, let's just do it. And we get stopped out. So let's register this as well. Well, let's continue. Okay, so price takes out liquidity. Okay, made a lower low. So buy side is here, sell side is here. Need to wait for one of these to break. Okay, goes through, takes out buy side. Price comes down. Looks like there is a change of character. There's an order block. I see a gap right here. I know we already see this, but let's just pretend we didn't for back testing purposes. Put a stop right there. Then we target 2R, which comes to down here. So we got filled and perfect. There we go. It actually works out. So basically, as buy side and sell side move, we need to continue moving this with us, and then we need to wait and see what happens. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It will help with the YouTube algorithm and it'll help us share our message with the trading community. Looks like there's sell side here. Looks like there's a change of character here. Price shoots through. Let's see if we can enter in on this order block. Target a 2R. Let's see what happens. All right, so we don't get filled. Price actually hits buy side, so this trade is off. So this is a change of character, just slightly, but it's not as aggressive as I would like it to be. So probably not a trade I would enter in yet. Plus, there's no way for me to even get filled if I entered into this trade. Comes here, takes out liquidity, change of character. Let's see if we can get short right here on this gap. Target 2R. Let's see if we get filled. Okay, we're filled and we get stopped. All right, there's a sweep and there's no change of character. Maybe this right here, but nothing here we could have entered in on. So we just have to let it go, and it is 4 o'clock. All right, 8:30 news came in on Friday, and let's see where this wants to go today. So just chopping around here, nothing crazy. Even if this was a change of character, there's nothing we could have used to enter short on. Yeah, 10 o'clock news also. Lots of volatility here. There's some buy side right up here. It's just chopping around, but then again, it is right before the long Labor Day weekend. And there we go, 4 o'clock. I mean, literally nothing happened in the PM session, just chopped around for a while. Nothing here to even consider trading. So each one of the trades I took during the back test, I entered in right here. So the date, the trade session, what the position was, entry, stop loss, exit, win or loss, the entry to stop loss in ticks, the entry to exit ticks, and the P&L, and it calculates the R multiple. Now in the analysis tab, I basically entered in these two trades right here, and you could see even though we only had a 50% win rate, we were profitable, as in our total P&L was positive. Yeah, we do have losers. That's okay, because our average loser is less than our average winner. On average, each time we make one of these trades, we make between $50 to $75. Of course, it's a tiny sample size. We only have a sample size of 6 because there were only 6 trades this week, but it's okay. Even with the 50% win rate, we can become consistently profitable by just trading these strategies. Hey, if you want access to the spreadsheet, just click the link below. There's no sign-in required, nothing for you to opt into. It goes straight to the Google Sheets. You can actually download it, use it, and after using it, just leave a comment below. Let me know how you're liking it. If you have any suggestions, any improvements, that way I can improve it for all of us to benefit from. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, I think you're going to love this video.